How to restore archived photos on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to restore archived photos on Instagram. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Instagram app is up to date. So if not, then please go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and search for Instagram, and then click on the update button whenever it is available. And now, assuming that you have updated your Instagram app, you may now open it. And then go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. Go to the three lines found on the upper right corner of the screen and click on Archive. Then you should be on the Post Archive and not on the Stories Archive. So you just simply click on this arrow right here and then choose Post Archive right here and choose the post or the photo that you want to unarchive. For example, I will choose this one. So go ahead and click on that three dots found on the upper right corner of the post and make sure to click on Show on Profile right here. So whenever you click on Show on Profile, you should wait for it to load and then go back to your profile, and then that post or photo will appear once again on your profile. So just a recap, go to your profile, go to the three lines, and then go to Archive, go to Post Archive, choose the photo or the post that you want, click on the three dots found on the upper right corner of that post, and click on Show on Profile. So that's it. That's how you can restore archived photos on Instagram.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.